Hello, welcome to the breakdown. So basically this is going to be a quick breakdown on pound dollar trade, which I called out. Of course, this particular trade was also given in the weekly analysis. So in case you did not watch or take a look at it, please you can pause and go back to take a look at our weekly analysis on this space so that you can accurately take advantage of it. Okay, before we dive into the breakdown, please kindly like and share the video as well. Please, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification to stay updated on our new content. Thank you. All right, so this is off the H4. So basically from our analysis, you can see we had an area of concern, which we say when price breaks the trend line, we are expecting more push to the upside. So basically, this is where we opened this new way. We expected a break to retest this level before a rejection for price to retest the broken structure before the continuation. And you can see just exactly the price level we anticipated. That is where price actually rejected. You can see by this arrow. All right, so let's go into the sniper entry for today. Why the call for today, aside from it already being stated in the weekly analysis. Okay, so let's quickly dive to our entry time frame. That is the M15. This is where it was called. So you can see right about that entry 1.1443 and take profit 1.1529 and stop loss just 1.1416. So this is basically about we're risking 26 pip going for 86 pip on this particular trade. So this is basically it. After our anticipation of price bouncing off the zone, you can see if you take a look at the left hand side, you can see a demand zone that has been formed after a break of the structure. Then price is now retesting that demand zone. So we were just fixing our eyes at that area to look out for possible patterns. So we just saw a rejection. Then we saw a bullish confirmation, which is basically a pin bar. So that is where we call for the buys. So we picked the trade. You can see ever since we took the trade, price has been in a steady bullish run. So basically, we have been a bit patient in this trade. So we have 30 an hour 30 minutes, an hour 45 minutes for this target to hit clean 86 pip on this particular setup. So this is a very clean, simple setup. So remember, it's coming off the H4, then we narrow down to the 1 hour time frame, then we come to the M15 to spot our setup. So these are basically stuff we teach in our mentorship, so you can take advantage of them and as well get to do this on your own. So thank you very much for sticking with me up to this point. Remember, if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Until our next breakdown, see you then.